Understanding the phrase, die for a cause, an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase, die for a cause. This expression is rich in meaning and often used in English literature and speeches. Let's explore what it means and how it's used in different contexts. Die for a cause refers to the act of sacrificing one's life for a belief, principle, or goal that is deemed significantly important. This phrase often implies a noble or heroic action. It's not just about dying. It's about dying for something that the person strongly believes in. Throughout history and literature, there have been many instances of individuals who chose to die for a cause. We see this in stories of revolutionaries, freedom fighters, and even fictional characters who stand against odds for a greater good. These examples help illustrate the depth and seriousness of the phrase. Now, let's see how to use die for a cause in sentences. 1. Many soldiers in the war were ready to die for a cause they believed in. 2. The hero of the novel chose to die for a cause rather than live a life without purpose. There are several phrases and words that carry a similar meaning, such as sacrifice oneself, lay down one's life, martyrdom. Understanding these synonyms can enrich your vocabulary and comprehension of similar contexts. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, die for a cause. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this powerful expression and its usage in English. Keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video.